Unboxing and preparation. Let's get started. Open your Decnord panels and take a moment to inspect everything inside. Then lay the panels out on a flat surface so you can plan your arrangement before you begin. Orientation here is really important. The interlocking system only works when the backing plywood is aligned correctly, letting each new row slip neatly beneath the previous tiles. Take your time and get this right. It makes the whole installation so much smoother. Layout and first cuts. Now, mark out your wall area on the panels. Using a pencil, draw your first horizontal and vertical cutting lines across the layout. For long, straight cuts, reach for a track saw. It gives you a clean, crisp starting edge. For individual edge pieces or corners, switch to a miter saw. And remember, always leave a minimum 3 mm gap between the panels and any surfaces they meet. That small gap lets the wood breathe and move naturally over time. Wall preparation and battens. Before you mount anything, make sure your installation surface is clean and dry. We recommend fixing your panels onto 20 by 45 mm underlay battens. Installation process. Apply a low VOC adhesive to the back of the panel or directly onto the battens. Then, press the panel firmly into place. If you're working in a sauna, start from the top right corner. This gives you a tight, even fit against the ceiling. Once it's positioned, secure the panel mechanically, using stainless steel staples or headless nails. And here's a handy tip. If you can't reach the usual fastening points near a corner, gently drive a nail between the wooden tiles, where it stays hidden from view. Spacing matters here, so check the manual for your specific panel type. For example, 338mm for the Hexa XL or 352mm for the Royal. The goal is to support each panel firmly, on both sides and through the middle. Installing around fixtures. Got lights or outlets to work around? No problem. Use a template to mark their exact position on the panel. Then, carefully drill your holes, keeping the drill perpendicular to the panel for a clean, accurate cut. And finally, maintenance. Keeping your panels looking their best is simple. Just dust them with a soft cloth and avoid harsh chemicals. If your panels are installed in a sauna or kitchen, apply a protective wood treatment now and then to guard against moisture and staining. And that's it. Enjoy your beautiful new Decnord finish.